So I usually like to prepare better when we start a video, but I'm kind of running out of time. Today we have a, it looks like it's a 2024 or 2025 GMC Sierra SLT 2500 single cab. I've never seen one before. I don't really know what I'm looking at here. The truck's nice on the inside like a Denali, but it's a single cab. I haven't seen it. Check this truck out. Let me know what you think. We're about to do a, I think we're doing SuspensionMAXX keys and some replica wheels and some 37s maybe, but stay tuned. So it looks like a normal truck that you'd see on my channel in the front, but when you get to the side, it's missing the back door. I haven't seen this. It has the normal interior with a big screen and everything inside. Just no back seat. Black leather with red stitching. That's not bad, actually. And it's got the flip up middle seat with the big screen at the same time. Crazy. We're about to get started on it. This is a surprise build that Leonard had set up for me, or Leo had set up for me. Stay tuned for the process.
Other than that, oh, more than you. Yeah, that's better.
Well, we got another truck done for you, and it's exciting to me because it's different. I don't have another one of these on the whole channel. This is a 2025 GMC Sierra 2500 SLT with the single cab. Different. You don't see this every day. It's awesome. The cool thing about this truck is it has the big screen in it. It has custom seats. I said earlier that it has black and red seats in it. The customer had these done. Really, really nice seats with the red stitches in them. They're leather. He said you couldn't get the single cab with leather seats, which I don't know that to be true or not. He said it wasn't so much the single cab that he wanted. He wanted the 8-foot bed. He said if you don't buy a truck with an 8-foot bed, you can't use it for a lot of the things that you need a truck for. So he bought the 8-foot bed. To each their own. I really like this truck though. The tire and wheel setup he went with is great. It's the G22 chrome 22-inch replicas. I'm sorry, 20-inch replicas with the 37 1150/20 Nitto ridge grappler. This tire and wheel setup does not rub at all. We did not have to modify anything. We did put mud flap deletes on this truck for looks, not for clearance. So his truck had the big mud flaps on it, so we took those off and put the deletes on. The truck looks sleek and clean. The wheels look great. He got chrome GMC caps for the wheels, so awesome. Stay tuned. I'm going to get out of the truck now and show you what it looks like, and I appreciate you guys watching the channel. All right, so here's our beautiful truck. Like I said, our single cab 2025 GMC Sierra 2500. I love the color scheme on this truck. It's that gloss black with the chrome bumpers on it. Chrome wheel matches perfectly with it. Looks like he has the color match fender flares. I think he bought those extra probably. I couldn't see those coming on this truck from the factory, but maybe they did. I do love the grille that's in this truck already from the factory. My customer is inside waiting for me to get done, but he told me that he would rather have the Denali grill, which is more chrome to match the wheels. That would also look great to me. It would be a very, very special truck with a Denali front grill on it. The wheels, like I said, are the G22s. This is the wheel that we offer in the 20-inch. You guys see my G21s all the time. I'm not sure why, but those are only made in 22s. So if you want the 37 on the 20, this is a good setup. You can do this wheel with a 371150, a 371250, or a 371350 with the keys, SuspensionMAXX keys. So on this one, we did the 37115020 Nitto Ridge Grappler. The reason being is because this size does not stick out past the fender. Sorry, I had to cut that last clip. My phone started ringing. But anyways, the reason that people like this 37115020 is because it doesn't stick out past the fender, like I was saying. Also, it doesn't rub. We do trim a little bit right here on all these trucks. So when I say it doesn't rub now that we trim that small piece. But in the back, we did put a mud flap delete here for looks, but you do not have to put that on this size tire. This size tire does not touch the mud flap from the factory, whether you do a 37115020 or a 37125020. The good thing is the 12.5 and the 13.5 rub up here on this sway bar, where the 1150 does not. So that's a really good thing. You get full clearance on the 371150s. They turn all the way after the 1250s rub a little bit. I really like the way this truck turned out. We did the SuspensionMAXX key like we always do. You know, I do a lot of the 4-inch lifts and stuff too, but you really don't have to get all that for the clearance. You can do just a SuspensionMAXX key. It's that red key right there. And you get enough clearance on the front end to get these 37s on there. Let me know what you think about the truck in the comments. Overall, I'm impressed. Single cabs aren't very common around, and I haven't had one on the channel, so let me know what you think. I am more of a short bed guy, but with a single cab, the long bed doesn't look so bad to me. Feel free to reach out if you have any questions. My number here is 678-994-9180. We're at Southern Tire in McDonough, Georgia, and I'm going to throw a price quote for this job right after this clip, so if you guys are curious on the price, there you go. I appreciate you watching every week, and stay tuned for the next one.